Hey.
We're back again. Done with school.
What, are you serious? Yeah. What are you doing, dog? Yeah, fucker.
I got my CDL.
And?
All my endorsements.
And?
Did
you get the $1 million bonus prize with it? Because everybody goes CDL school gets $1 million extra.
Oh, I got ripped the fuck off then.
Oh, shit. Especially if you go to work for Swift. You get $1 million. Did anybody tell you that?
Oh, no. That's why I didn't go with Swift, I guess. Maybe next time.
So you got your hazmat, doubles, triples.
Yep.
Tankers.
Yep.
Class A.
Yep.
Ready to go.
Ready to go.
Wow. Look at you.
Even with a small hospital setback?
I thought you were going to say something small. I was like, hey, man, come on, bro. You ain't going to do me like that, do you?
Nah,
Put this
never.
on worldwide video?
Never.
On the intranets? I mean, there's a little secret, wasn't it? God. A little. So, it's been semi-confirmed that you're crazy and that we're going to Henderson Trucking in St. Louis.
Yep.
Where I will be head honcho and train you like my slave. I am bringing the whip.
Looking forward to that.
And the leather mask with the red gag ball. Right?
Yeah, you'll be able to tell us in traffic.
Yeah. Everybody keep a lookout for red gag ball. But yes, we had a setback. We had a
pulmonary embolism.
Yes. You fucked up and got sick.
Yeah, it's alright. I'm better now.
No, you're better now. I'm glad for that.
Yeah, me too.
A lot. Oh. So yeah, going out on the road pretty quick. If Dog was here, she'd be able to voice her disappointment.
Yeah. She's not too happy about it.
Yeah, not yet.
Right.
She will be. Or she gets chained up in somebody's backyard. Hating life.
Nah, she'll be alright.
She'll be alright. Gets sold off to be dog bait in dog fights. Some ghetto thug motherfuckers around Vegas or something like that. Gonna do some fucked up. What?
Nothing.
I'm making jokes. She's not gonna be dog bait.
No.
She's gonna win. She's gonna beat all. Michael Vick's gonna buy her.
Yeah.
She's gonna be all super champ. Pit bull. Right, dog? You're gonna be a super champ? You're gonna be super champ? You're gonna bite those necks? You're gonna bite those necks? That's what I thought, yes. You're gonna bite those necks.
Crazy.
So, yep.
One more week.
Yep.
We're
Already
out.
put my notice in.
Big step.
Go out to St. Louis, get a truck, be out on the road, start showing all the peeps what it's all about.
Yeah, hopefully we can figure something better to talk about next time, huh?
What then? Me and my littleness? Is that what you're getting at?
No.
Gosh. Fucking motherfucker. What the fuck, man? Gotta go cracking these personal secrets on our whole one subscriber of you. Yeah.
Somebody had to subscribe.
No shit, man. Hey, dog. Oi! How say you? You want to come up here and give me a kiss? You want to give me a kiss?
That's an unhealthy relationship right there.
Gonna be chained up in a yard pretty quick somewhere. Dog fighting, aren't you? Yes, yes, you are. Yeah.
Ugh. More kisses for you.
Do you smell that shrimp and steak on there? Yes, you do, don't you? Yes.
Ugh, don't. Ugh.
Just a little Frenchie.
No.
Just a little Frenchie.
No.
Give me a 5-second Frenchie. All right, get off. Get the fuck out of here. All right.
Disgusting.
More travails from the road to come,
Yes,
you say?
that's it.
All right, next stop, St. Louis,
Yep.
Henderson Trucking. Tales from the road on the way out, I guess.
Yep. See you in a week.
I'm gonna make out with the dog.